Welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture I am going to talk about types of energy. First of all, what is energy? Energy means the capacity of doing work. The unit of energy is a joule. In our day-to-day life, unit of energy is in kilowatt hour. It is defined as the energy used in 1 hour when the power is 1 kilowatt. And this is adopted for a measure of electrical energy consumption. Then what is energy conservation? According to the first law of thermodynamics, we cannot generate the energy and we cannot destroy the energy. But whatever the energy available in nature, they all are convertible with each other. This conversion of energy may be complete or partial. This principle is based on number of experiments and is known as the first law of thermodynamics or the principle of conservation of energy. Let's take real life example to understand this law of conservation of energy. Now I am going to explain you by giving your day-to-day life example. In earlier morning we all are taking breakfast. Food contains the chemical energy that will be stored in your body as a fat, and whenever you start to work for any purpose, I can say you want to go school or college, at that time this fat will be converted into work. So this is the conversion of energy from chemical energy into work. Next example, you can consider your journey in bus or car. So fuel contains the chemical energy, it will be converted into heat energy and then after into mechanical work. So these all are the example of energy conversion. I hope you can betterly understand the first law of thermodynamics. We can further classify energy as per their quality. As per the second law of thermodynamics, it is impossible to construct an engine or device which produces 100% efficiency, or we can say complete conversion of heat into work is not possible. But electrical work is completely converted into mechanical work whenever we neglecting all losses. Hence, a source of energy may be divided into high grade energy and low grade energy. What is high grade energy? High grade energy means energy that can be completely converted, neglecting all losses, into work. For example, electrical energy, water power, wind and tidal power and kinetic energy. These are the example of high grade energy. Then what is low grade energy? In case of a low grade energy, only a certain portion of energy that can be converted into mechanical work, or can say shaft power. That energy is called low grade energy. For example, thermal energy or heat energy, heat from combustion of fuels, heat of nuclear fission, these all are the example of low grade energy. Here whenever we convert the heat into work or any thermal energy into mechanical work, at that time there are so many losses are there. So the complete conversion of from heat energy into mechanical work is not possible. How to feel for energy? Energy is only identified through its effect. It is difficult to visualize what energy is. Our existence depends on energy we received from sun, food we eat, oil and gas we burn, fuel of our vehicles, wind energy and solar energy. Then what is types of energy? Now we will discuss types of energy. Energy may be classified as store energy and energy in transition. First one is store energy. It is the energy which remains within the system. The store energy of a substance may be in the form of chemical energy, nuclear energy, potential energy and kinetic energy are the store energy. And energy in transition. Transition means the process of changing from one state to another. Energy in transition is the energy transferred as a result of potential difference. Particular interest to us will be the energy transfer across the system boundaries. Those energy transfer which occurs between the system and boundaries fall into two different categories. First one is thermal energy transfer is called heat. Second one is mechanical energy transfer is called work. First one is thermal energy transfer is called heat, and second one is mechanical energy transfer is called work. There are various forms of energy like as mechanical energy, heat energy or thermal energy, electrical energy, chemical energy and nuclear energy. Then what are the types of mechanical energy? There are two types of mechanical energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy contained in the system due to its position or elevation difference is known as potential energy. So this energy in an object is due to elevation or height difference. For example, water stored at a higher level in a dam, bricks resting on top of the building. When body of mass mkg is elevated through a vertical height of h meters above the surface of earth, the potential energy is given by potential energy equal to mgh, where m is the mass of body in kg, g equal to gravitational acceleration, its value is 9.81 meter per second square, and h is the height in meter. Second one is a kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is known as kinetic energy. For example, a bullet approaching a target, a jet of water coming out from nozzle, etc. These are the example of kinetic energy. So this energy is available in a body or object due to its motion. In mathematical form, kinetic energy equal to 1/2 mv square, where m is the mass of body in kg and v is the velocity of body in meter per second. Next one is chemical energy. So chemical energy is the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds like atoms and molecules. This energy is released when a chemical reaction takes place. Usually, once chemical energy has been released from a substance, that substance is transformed into a completely new substance. I already explained in my previous example, the food we eat contains a chemical energy. We measure it in calories, the energy available in apple, banana, battery, etc. It is measurable in calories. Next one is heat energy. It is a energy due to temperature difference. Heat is only transferred when there is a temperature difference between two bodies. So to transfer the heat, minimum temperature difference is required. Without temperature difference, there is no any transfer of heat. So heat is an energy due to temperature difference, and we know that temperature means it is a sense of hotness or coldness of body. It is the definition of temperature. So heat energy comes into existence when you burn something. It is also defined in calories or in joule. A calorie is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So this is the basic relationship between calorie and joule. 1 calorie equal to 4.187 joule. Next one is electrical energy. What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is a form of energy resulting from the flow of electric charge. Energy is the ability to do work or apply force to move an object. In the case of electrical energy, the force is electrical attraction or repulsion between charged particles. Next one is nuclear energy. The energy released during nuclear fission and fusion reaction, especially when used to generate electricity.